What's good, peeps? Your boy Where's Pac-Man, Travel Gang. Gonna show you where the free crazy golf, mini golf, outdoors mini golf in Canary Wharf is. So you got the station here. Literally, when you come at the station, you're gonna want to turn left here, and then basically it is in Montgomery Square. So the sign here. So I know obviously there's a lot of advertisement about these mini golf setup, but not many places give you the directions of where it is. So yep, this is where it is. If you want to come down in better weather conditions, this is exactly where it is. Big up. Look at this ugly ute. You get me? Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you. He's back again to get fucked up. Hey guys, basically we picked the best day to come and play mini golf here. It's beautiful weather, as you can see.
Like, don't be time.
Brother, first of all, this shoot is late.
Like, yeah,
First of all, it's late, yeah?
I'm saying.
Second of all, he told me to come here, you know. Imagine that. He said this place is sick.
That is a lie. I would not tell you to come
He told me to come here.
Miniature golf in the rain.
That's what I was saying. I like, no. But
Yeah. I remember this one. It's a smaller one.
Okay. But yeah, I'm still going to smack him up, and then we're going to go and see if we can go to that place fair game and see what he's saying.
That's where the money starts.
I didn't even get to. You didn't film. Shit. It was a close shot, guys. It was a close shot. Man got a close shot just now. You get in? Alright, 2-2. The maddest thing, yeah, the last time we played, yeah, We played. This brother ripped his trousers on the golf course, man. How you rip your trousers?
It was a heavy game.
Wow. You want to explain to the audience how you tore your trousers playing golf, bro?
Listen, you're making them stretch. Yeah, something's gonna happen.
Hole number 2. That's what this guy's made of. Nice trainers though. He's saying Jordans, yeah? Jeez. Not fresh still.
Yeah, no, that's the problem. Not a problem, but you see with Jordan, as much as you try to mash them up,
Yeah.
they still last.
Yeah. Those look decent. That's one shot. Guys, now you can see who's the professional or not, bro. This is some baby course as well. I need to be taking score. Alright, so the score is 5-4.
1 point out, that's it.
5-4.
How are you gonna play?
Imagine, guys, this brother's doing all this shit, yeah, and he's still gonna fuck up.
See what's going on.
If you want to follow this guy on Instagram, guys, at Mr. Go Getter.
Watch the magic, yeah, watch the magic.
Mr. Go Getter. Jeez! Oh, that was close.
The magic, yeah.
This brother thinks he's playing snooker, blood. What's that? 3 shots?
That's 2.
So that's 3 shots, man.
Sad times, man, sad times.
Yeah. Alright. What's the score? I tried to cheat with the numbers.
Odd second.
I tried to put your score down, bro. Let's see what I've got. Come on. Oh my god.
You see that? See that?
Yeah.
Look at that. That was a drag. No, that should be disqualified, man. You got me.
Brother, that was a good shot, fans.
See London Bridge, yeah?
Should have went straight in. I should be getting hole in ones. What's that?
The rain threw me off.
You know, that's extra shots, bro.
Fair.
Oh, shit. Alright, so 2, so you, 11, 13. 13, 10.
No,
13, 10.
Extra point.
That's why it's 2, bruv.
How's that 2, man?
Alright, 12, 10, 12, 10. 12, 10.
What will he do? Where will he go?
Oh! Shit, man. Should be getting hold of one here.
No. Yeah, that's all right, man. Yeah. Keep missing.
Alright, guys. Tense. It's 13-13 right now. Steph's shot though. Not gonna get a hole in one, so that's for damn sure. But it's 13-13 as it stands. Let's see how much he brings it up to. Jeez, that was kind of close though. So 14-13 to Steph. 15, 13. He's brought it down by one.
That's perfect. That's perfect. How do you feel, man? How do you feel, bro? How do you feel, man? Huh? You disqualified yourself. Oh! That was quality. That was quality.
15, guys. You hear, see them trick shots. You know what time it is. You know my style. $15.15. Mad maths. It's $15.15 right now. Because I just took 2 shots. That took me 2 shots. 1 and then 2. So it's $15.15 now. If your next shot. No, it's $15.15 now. Guys, this brother just tried to fucking dubs you up on the numbers, yeah? It's $15.15. Guys, listen, if you do business with this guy, be careful, yeah? He's bad with numbers. He'll pay you less by accident.
Let's do this. All in one.
Let's talk about hole in one. Yes, good shot. Excellent. That's what I'm talking about. Jeez, yes. So now he's on 17. It's 17-15 to him. 18 now. We'll see.
See the face of a criminal, yeah? Face of a criminal.
Ooh.
That was close. That was close. Tiger Woods would have actually gave you props for that.
What's the score?
18-16.
18-17. It's 18-17 to Steph. Let's see what's going on. Jeez! You fucked up then. Yes, me old boy. That's what I'm talking about. Ooh! Man tried to a little trick shot, yeah?
That's 2018.
2018. Alright, say less. The game, guys. I'm 2 points ahead. Let's see what's gonna happen. It's all down to this. Ooh, yes. Good shot, good shot. So that's 21 he's got now. It's 22 he's got. It's 23 he's got. It's 24 he's got. 25? Oh no, that way it came out. 26, this is your last shot. It's 7 shot maximum on the hole. 27. Try to get in, just try to get in. Oh, he got it in! Shit, I missed it. On the extra shot, he got it in, you know, guys. Tiger Woods, that's what he's saying.
See how this goes now.
That is a skate. 19. Yes. 20.
Well done, well done.
And the new champion is...
Well done.
Come on, guys. I know you doubted me. I know you doubted me.